How's it going, everybody? Gabe here from the RM Young Company. I am the Business Development Manager, and today we're showcasing our SNOdar snow depth sensor. We're very excited about this product. We've made tons of upgrades over the last year to the SNOdar itself and to the app functionality, and we're really excited to show this off to our customers. It's going to be ready for the 2026-27 snow season. It's actually they're in stock and ready to ship now. So without further ado, let's get into some of the upgrades we've made, and then I will also do a run through of setting up the SNOdar on the app just to show everybody how simple it is. A few of the benefits of our snow depth sensor is it works solely on a lidar module. So you mount your sensor and it's shooting your lidar signal to the ground and then collecting the scattered light particles on its way back up. So a few of the benefits of lidar versus an ultrasonic option would be snowfall events, right? If you have your snow depth sensor installed and you have a snowfall event, you're going to get really kind of hazy, a lot of static in your measurements during that snowfall event. This is immune to all precipitation events. So you will get clear readings and clear depth readings while that snowfall event is happening. And that's extremely important just for clarity to understand intensities at different intervals, so on and so forth. Additionally, the power draw for this sensor is extremely low, even while the heater is running. It's small, it's compact, about the size of a baseball. Again, extremely convenient to mount, put in your backpack. Cost of installation is going to be low. Another feature is that the SNOdar has an internal data logger. You can store an entire season's worth of snowfall data to avoid stomping around your site and affecting the data integrity. All right, so a few of the upgrades that we have added to this SNOdar sensor. We've worked really hard at upgrading the firmware so that the app runs smoothly. We have enhanced the SDI-12 reliability. The interface on the app is cleaner with more accurate measurements, and they're easier to read. Along with those upgrades, we have upgraded our mounting assembly to that similar of all of our other products that mount via a U-bolt. So before this mounted on a ring, and it was metal on metal, and if the heater on your SNOdar was running, you're essentially heating your mast along with the SNOdar, and it's just your power draw becomes really high. We've added insulating plastic to contact the mast, and then again, very similar to how our other sensors mount on pipe. This can be mounted on your 1-inch pipe, it can be mounted on 1.5-inch pipe. We wanted to make this as universal as possible. Okay, so the last thing that we really focused on upgrading with this sensor is the app functionality. We wanted it to be as easy as possible to set up because we understand that time spent in the field, sending technicians to the field is expensive, right? So this can be set up on your phone and paired with your phone in less than 2 minutes, and you're getting instant measurements as soon as it's powered on. It's unbelievably easy. We're going to walk through a quick session so you guys can see in real time how fast you're able to set this sensor up. Let's get into it. All right, so to set up your SNOdar sensor, obviously it's mounted here. You can also pre-configure it before you take it to the field, but you will need to recalibrate. That yellow blink that you see right there, that's the measurement happening. Even if it's not connected to your phone, it will still take a measurement based on the out-of-the-box settings. So without further ado, you open up the SNOdar app. You will then press the plus button. You'll find your SNOdar. You'll click Add. And you will then click Yes, Start Configuring once prompted. So this is going to walk you through your setup. Begin setup. So you'll have various sensor modes that you can select from. Your snow depth is going to be obviously your continuous snow depth, daily snowfall, so on and so forth. This will reset or can reset based on how you ask it to reset. The stormboard mode is commonly used at ski resorts and ski areas. Wipe the board off, wipe the snow off of the board, reset it to 0 every single time you wipe the board off. And then manual is pretty self-explanatory. So we'll click next, and it's calibrating your roll, pitch, and yaw. And we're blinking, looks good. Snow is not present, we'll select that. It's going to calibrate, but it happens relatively quick. We will refresh the coordinates to where we are in Traverse City. Synchronized. You can name it. Seasonal, we have it set to reset at on October 1st at 1800 hours. It's an alpine zone. Every minute we want a new measurement. SDI 12. And this is currently line powered. So I'll select line power. Save settings. Erase any previous data. And just like that, your sensor is connected and you're getting live readings. It's best to mount these sensors and get them installed in the summer months while you don't have snow and you can plan for proper site prep. That's why we are excited to get this on our shelves. They're in stock. We can ship them in less than a week. They are ready to go. And again, we are just so proud of all of the upgrades that we've been able to add to this sensor. To be able to confidently put the RM Young name on them and have the expectation of the same data integrity that you all know and love.